Hello. Um, I tried to build a simple blockchain network. Um, we called it. It's called SIGIB. Utilize a blockchain. What is SIGIB? SIGIB is e-learning graduate program of 6 university in the state of Virginia. SIGIB try finding a secure way to share students' performance among these 6 universities and companies which participate on the SIGIB network. So we try building a prototype system by using blockchain to offer a safe services to access student certificate after access permission is given and preserve historical records of transactions that cannot be adjusted. In general, SIGIP network has 3 participant student company and university and certificate. We also I built these assets. This is essential asset certificate and the extra two as to accomplish the process of exchanging the certificate among those 6 university. Also, we have transaction and university grant access to give the university to can access the certificate. 2 cases I made a simple network. The first one, University A can submit a request for University B, and then University B review this request and submit grant access to University A. University A, if it is if it give given the access grant access, it can review the certificate of a specific student. The second scenario, request for company. Student can submit a request for his or her university, and then the university can reviews this request. After that, submit the grant access to company, and then company can access the student's certificate. Also, I made rules for admin, for university, for student, for company as a smart contract. Now I will try open the tool. Here, participant, student, university, company. Here is the multi-users, just interface to help more than one can log in. I made 6 companies, 6 universities, and also 3 to 4 students in each university. Here, asset certificate. Here, request for university, request for company. Here, transaction history. And this is company grant access and university grant access. Those operation are already are made before. So I will explain student. For example, university 1 want to reach a certificate of a specific university from university 2. If I choose this university, GMU want access which, for example, ODU want request ODU to reach ODU student 1 certificate, ODU 1 student certificate. The first I will show if ODU one student has already certificate or not. Yes, this certificate. Okay. GMU request for university. GMU will ODU will ask ODU GMU for GMU. ODU one is student's ID. ODU one confirm. Okay. Now we will go to ODU University. ODU University will log in, and then request here. Requested by GMU. This one. Then the university will go to University Grant Access and put the request ID. Now GMU can access ODU one certificate. We will log in as a GMU University can access, yes, this one. This is certificate of a student from ODU. This is the first scenario. The second scenario, student from any university access his or request his or her university to give permission to a specific company to access his or her certificate. Let's see here, for example, which student from which university. For example, here UVA2 student. UVA2 student. The first I will see if this student already has certificate or not. No, I will choose anyone has already certificate to UV3 maybe. UV3 student UV3. VCU student from VCU. VCU1 student. Okay, VCU1 student also. Okay, I will look in as a VCU University will create for which one? Wait, maybe VT. Wait. Any student has a ODU1 ODU student. ODU. Wait, maybe this one I will see T14 if I create the certificate for him. Almost there. Okay, I will create for this student VT. Okay, VT4 student. I will log in as a VT University to create for the VT4 student. The first student VT4, this one. The certificate 5512. This is the certificate ID. Okay, certificate Okay, create certificate ID 5512, choose a file, some modify certificate, this one, yes, okay, choose, and then university VT, the handler of this university, confirm. Okay, then we create this certificate. Right now for student 2 VT4, okay, I will log in as a VT4 student, VT4, then you'll see his, yes, good. Okay, request ID, he will request VT, his university, student VT4, company. I have 6 company. The company come, for example, 4. This is the ID of company 4. Okay, company 4, confirm this operation, and then okay, right now all university, okay, VT4 VT university here, VT, well, go to this operation. Okay, student VT4 want to send his or his certificate to company. Okay, wait a minute, company transaction, company grant access, confirm, select company 4, company 4 will log in and then can access this VT student certificate. All transaction company cannot access, but login as an admin, for example, here, all transaction here, UV, this is all the transaction will be committed here. Thank you. Thank you.